In this next step, here's a diagram of how I wired the BMS. It gets hard to see where all the terminations go, and I will attach that at the end of the video. So if you want to click that or download, print it, you'll have it, but it's hard to see where these terminations are. And at the end of the video, after I'm done wiring and soldering up the BMS, when the battery's out of sight, I'm pretty much wrapping. I didn't realize the camera angle was bad there. So if that's what you're looking to see about wrapping and heat shrinking the battery wrap, please leave me a comment and I'll redo one of my other batteries and do a new shrink wrap over top one so you can see that step done in a short video. Thanks for watching. In this step 2, I think I described, I don't know if you heard in the video, I'm passing the BMS leads through the space in between the cells, and I try to do it away from the nickel tabs. That way it's not rubbing. So if you wonder what I'm doing there, yeah, I'm passing it through, then trimming it to fit where it lands, and still going in the order 1 to 13. All right. So that was all 13 leads. So you can see all I'm going to do real quick, I'm going to set up just dress them up a little bit. Figure out how I want to cover. See, it's the only area I have to cover right there, right up the middle. That's not too bad. If I have to, I'll cut a little strip out of the rubber. That way it gives a nice little void, but still keeps it away from everything. So let me get that set up, and then I'll continue on when I have the pieces cut.